Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to break down the basic of surveying. We will start by defining what surveying actually is, then move on to its main objective, and finally we will explore the different classification within the field. So let's start the video. Surveying is a science and art of determining the relative position of points on, above or below the earth's surface. Essentially, it involves measuring distance, angle, and elevation to create an accurate representation of a physical area, which we often use in the form of map or plans. The main objective of surveying is to establish data that can be used for various purposes, such as constructing buildings, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure. Surveying provides the foundation for planning and designing these structures by accurately determining the land feature and the boundaries. It ensures that construction is done in the correct location and that projects are aligned with the legal and environmental regulation. Surveying has a wide range of uses across different industries. In construction, it is essentially for laying out position of the structure. In urban planning, it helps in development of a land for housing, commercial and industrial purposes. In environmental studies, surveying is used to assess land erosion, food risk, and other ecological impact. Additionally, surveying is vital for creation of a map, which are crucial in the navigation, military operation, and the resource management. Surveying can be classified in several ways, each with its own primary and secondary categories, like by the nature of survey, by the purpose, and by instruments used. On the basis of nature of the survey are classified as primary, as plane surveying. It assumes the earth's surface is a flat and suitable for a small area surveying. Geodetic surveying, it takes into account of the earth curvature and used for a large area surveying. Now on the basis of the secondary surveying, it includes astronomical surveying. It measures position of celestial bodies for geographical locations. Hydrographic surveying surveys body of water to determine underground water feature. On the basis of purpose of surveying, the surveyings are classified as primary, which include topographical surveying. It determines the position of a natural and man-made features. Terrestrial surveying, it establishes properties boundaries. Engineering surveying, it focuses on designing and construction of an infrastructure. The secondary surveying are route surveying. It is used in laying out road, railways, pipelines. Construction surveying, it ensures structures are built according to the design. On the basis of the instrument used for the surveyings are classified as a primary, which include chain surveying. It uses chain or tape for a linear measurement. Compass surveying, it employs a compass for determining directions. Theodolite surveying, it measures horizontal and vertical angles with precision. Secondary classifications are photogrammetric surveying. It uses aerial or the satellite imagery to map large area. And GPS surveying utilize global positioning system for high accuracy location data. Each classification serves a specific purpose and it is selected based on the project requirement.